petty, they actually pulled out a few of those for me. So if you look at those chits, there are all of these questions on them. पहला question है कब आ रहा है श्रीकांत? दूसरा सवाल है कब आएगा नया season? और तीसरा है what's taking so long? I'm sorry, I'm cracking up. So let's just start with that. Raj, DK, thank you so much for being with us here. But what took us so long, please?
You know how hard it is to write a show? And then you have to write season 1, and then 2, and then 3. Amazon Prime doesn't let us go.
Correct.
So it takes us that long. And it's easy to, quickly make things, but if you want something quality, you need to let it cook. So it took us 4 years to cook.
कहते हैं slow cooked is the best, right? Whether it's a
slow
good
cooked is the
biryani.
best.
Yeah, it's the
Correct.
best. I have a very personal question for you, DK, which is 4 साल तो लग गए, लेकिन इन 4 सालों में इस टीम ने actually क्या-क्या किया? Like, personal answers are welcome. So.
Yeah, I mean, again, first of all, I'd like to thank all the fans and the audience and who've been very, very
Amazing.
patient
Yes.
for 4 years, which we all are painfully aware is a very long time. Having said that, I mean, we did give it a little bit of jhalak of Family Man in Farzi just to keep, keep everybody kind of,
Happy?
in the loop, saying,
Yes.
okay, it's coming, and then finally it took us this long to make it. But yeah, every season is progressively more difficult than the previous season, and because the challenge is not just telling that same story, right? I mean, the reason one season works is because it catches you by surprise. And now if you have to make the next season, there's a lot of things that are expected. So how do you still surprise people? So that's the biggest challenge of making a subsequent season.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. So well said. And now that the Family Man is finally back, we, as in fans, can't really stay mad at you. So the family, the chaos, the chase, all of it returns. And honestly, you've built India's most loved series, which has, as you said, everything. There's action, there's drama, there's comedy, there's thrill. And I think the fan messages that I just read out prove just that. So I'm going to ask both of you one last question before we get into something exciting, which is, what do you think the Family Man actually does that makes it resonate so deeply with the audiences?
I think it's very relatable. It's all the shit we go through, I guess, in lives. And when you see the same shit on screen, I don't know why you get excited. But that's the relatability factor. Except they're in much cooler circumstances. He's a spy saving the country and running around the world. So I think the combination of what you are and what you cannot be makes it exciting, I think.
Do you want to add to that?
Yeah, I mean, it's a combination of that, right? It's basically, everybody knows somebody like Shrikant Tiwari. Like, he reminds me of my neighbor or my friend, or depending on the age group, it's my brother or it's my uncle or whoever. And at the same time, that's just the surface, right? I mean, he is what everybody wants to be.
True.
But that's what they don't know. I mean, that's what the world doesn't know. At least the world of Shrikant Tiwari, they take him for granted. He's very unassuming. But I think what he really is, the alpha male, that is, I think, what attracts him as a character.
I must say this, that I know I stand around with two of you all and I pretend to be really cool, but the truth is that the two of you are some of our greatest and brightest voices in the country. So a round of applause, please, for Raj and DK, if you would. Thank you so much. आगे बढ़ने से पहले, I think it'll be a good idea, okay, just to take fans through that journey again. The journeys from season 1 and 2 and decode all the intel we've got so far. So shall we do a quick recap, if you let me, boys? Is that okay? All right, let's do that. Come on, let's go.
Like we said, 4 years is a long time.
We'll unveil the trailer of The Family Man Season 3. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on, you gotta do better. गोलियां मारते रहिए और इस दीवार को तोड़ दीजिए। बहुत ही बढ़िया। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका दोस्तों। Mission accomplished. You've taken Suji, Ashlesha Thakur and Dhriti as Dhriti and Vedant Sinha as Athal. छुपा होगा कहीं पर? हाय, कैसे हो यार? बहुत ही बढ़िया। Thank you so much. My friends, Nikhil, please take a seat, front of house. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I just want to say I'm so excited about this. Congratulations. पहले तो मैं आप तीनों को वेलकम करना चाहूंगी, लेकिन मैं कहूंगी कि अथर्व is still on the run or perhaps taking cover.
Yeah.
They are not saying
Atharv is, yeah, Atharv थोड़ा busy है अभी.
थोड़ा बिजी है
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है, कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं हमें और इस सीजन में द हंटर हैज बिकम द हंटेड विद ऑल ऑफ यू इन डेंजर मैं देख रही हूँ कि स्क्रीन पर टारगेट तो आप भी हो चुके हैं सो यार बिटवीन यू एंड मी
Yeah.
मुझे तो बता ही सकते हो ना कि श्रीकांत कहाँ है एंड डोंट वरी यू कैन ट्रस्ट मी
Okay.
They're not giving me anything. They're not giving me anything here. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आपसे पूछ लूँ एक और बार कि सर कहाँ हैं या फिर आपको इस बार भी कुछ उल्टा ही बोल दिया है?
मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं?
हाँ जी,
Okay, मैं एक बात बताऊँ आपको.
हाँ जी,
आज तक श्रीकांत ने तो उनका लोकेशन कहाँ है हमें तो पता नहीं है.
हाँ जी.
हमें बताया भी नहीं
हाँ
है.
जी.
तो हम आपको कैसे बताएं बोलिए?
अरे यार, I'm
Maybe JK uncle can tell us.
maybe JK uncle. JK uncle मुझे एक help चाहिए.
One
आप-
second. Only she can call me JK uncle.
She.
You can call me JK. Just JK.
Just JK. JK will do me a favor. Would the two of you kindly step on that side? Ashlesha, would you kindly be here? And yes, JK, okay, झूठ मत बोलना. सिर्फ तुम्हें ही पता होता है कि श्रीकांत कहाँ है.
बोलो जेके.
हाँ मैं लास्ट में जब वो ऑफिस से निकला था तो उसने कुर्ला रोड पकड़ा था लेकिन उसके बाद आई थिंक वो लोखंड वाला गया नहीं लोखंड वाला नहीं फिर उसने मीरा रोड की तरफ जा रहा था नहीं
एक काम कीजिए आप मुझे अपना उनका लाइव लोकेशन ही शेयर कर दो ना. कम ऑन यार जेके.
नहीं अगर लाइव लोकेशन आपको शेयर करूंगा तो आपको डेड होना पड़ेगा
ओह नाइस वन.
भाई लॉयल दोस्त हूँ ऐसे मैं गद्दारी नहीं कर सकता अपने दोस्त के साथ
क्या बात है. दोस्ती तो कोई आपसे सीखे जेके. थैंक यू सो मच. Each of you, I want to say, we're very excited that you all are back. And thank you so much for joining us. Kindly join us in the front of house.
Thank you.
you. Give them a round of applause, guys. This is amazing. भाई इनसे तो कुछ पता नहीं चला, कुछ नहीं मिला. अगर जेके हमें श्रीकांत के लोकेशन के बारे में नहीं बताएगा, oh my God, Nimrat, you look absolutely stunning. And I want to start off by telling you, you're looking just as slick and sharp as your character, Meera. First question has to be, how does it feel to join the Family Man universe?
Oh, thank you so much. And you know, they say ki you don't choose where you're born, you don't choose where you die, you don't choose your family, but I get to choose my family this time around, and there couldn't have been a better one.
Nimrat, thank you so much. What a beautiful thing to say. I heard my friends from the press say that they want a little more light. Would you kindly raise the house lights a little bit for Nimrat? Thank you so much. I hope you're okay now. Thank you, Nimrat, for your patience. That is absolutely lovely. Also, aren't we all just fans of Raj and DK? But मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि यार आप श्रीकांत और उसके फैमिली के पीछे क्यों पड़ी हैं? प्लीज बता दीजिए.
You know, मैं आपको बहुत कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ रोहिणी एक्चुअली एंड लास्ट मैंने सुना शायद श्रीकांत तिवारी शायद मीरा रोड के आसपास कहीं है ऐसा मैंने सुना बैक स्टेज बट अगर मैंने आपको उनकी लोकेशन बता दी तो मुझे शायद आपको मारना पड़ेगा एंड there'll be too many spoilers and I don't want to do that.
So I guess you will find Shrikant one way or another, है ना?
No comments.
No comments.
Yes.
She never gives me anything.
No.
आप कोशिश तो कर रही हैं श्रीकांत तिवारी को
मैं
पकड़ने
कोशिश
की.
कर रही हूँ. You know, I've got my eyes everywhere and I always get what I'm looking for.
She's got her eyes. What? You literally have your. इनका किया कराया आप देख रहे हैं? What's happening? देख रहे हैं आप? इतनी ज़्यादा surveillance. I have no doubt, Nimrat, that you or Meera, as I said, would be able to find Shrikant. Thank you so much for joining us once again.
Thank
And
you.
please would you join us front
Thank
of
you.
house. Thank you. A round of applause for the amazing Nimrat Kaur, please. Thank you. दोस्तों कोशिश तो मैं बहुत कर रही हूँ श्रीकांत तिवारी की लोकेशन फाइंड आउट करना, लेकिन until now I haven't succeeded. किसी को नहीं पता कि श्रीकांत कहाँ। Ladies and gentlemen, जयदीप बलावत AKA रुकमा।
कब तक भागेगा श्रीकांत तिवारी, कब तक?
Oh my God! Wow, Jaydeep. जयदीप,
हेलो एवरीवन।
मैं आपको क्या कहूँ, जयदीप कहूँ कि रुकमा कहूँ?
जो आपका मन करे।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू सो मच. I don't know how you do it, Jaydeep, but for every role and every character you play, the audience comes to love you. आपको लगता है कि रुकमा जो है will also make that place in the hearts of fans, despite being the antagonist या जो दिख रहा है, and despite facing off against Shrikant Tiwari.
I mean, I'm really grateful, Rajan DK and my home Prime. What can anybody ask? You know, starting this year with Patal Lok and ending with the family man, Rajan DK and one and only Manoj Bhai. I can't ask more. Thank you so much.
You know, this is amazing. Universes colliding. He said it. He said Patal Lok, yeah, all those fans, all that love. And now he's part of one of our favorite shows, The Family Man. लेकिन अब काम की बात करते हैं. हमने मीरा से भी वही सवाल पूछा जो मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. आप श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे क्यों पड़े हो सर?
थोड़ा पर्सनल हो गया मामला. देखो स्पॉयलर्स तो नहीं बता सकता मैं, पर मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ कि श्रीकांत की आदत है, सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की, फैमिली में, बच्चों के काम में, सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की आदत है. तो अब उसके काम में मैं टांग अड़ा रहा हूँ, देखते हैं कहाँ तक भागेगा.
क्या बात है. तो आप उसको ढूंढ के ही निकालोगे ये मुझे लग रहा है. मे बी आई शुड थैंक यू बिकॉज हम सब भी 4 सालों से श्रीकांत को ढूंढने की ही कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब तक हमें कोई लक नहीं मिला है. So I might thank you in just a little bit. For right now, thank you so much for joining us on the stage. Give it up for Jaydeep Balavat. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let the chase begin.
You sacrifice for everyone just for the sake of their happiness. You learn how to educate yourself and write yourself success. Don't you never let it slide.
मनोज जी, या मैं कहूँ श्रीकांत तिवारी, इतना वक्त क्यों लग गया आपको आने में?
नहीं, चाहता था कि हाँ जी, क्या बोला जी? जोर से नहीं बोलोगे तो क्या ही मैं बात कर पाऊंगा. जी, वक्त तड़पाने में जितना मजा आता है ना.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जब आपको पता है कि आग दोनों तरफ लगी हुई है तो थोड़ा तड़पा करके पानी देने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. लेकिन जब हम आए हैं तो आशा करते हैं कि आपको पूरा मटके का पानी इस बार पिलाएंगे.
क्या
ताकि
बात
पूरी
है? This is amazing. Honestly, हम सबने आपको एज श्रीकांत तिवारी बहुत मिस किया. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, how does it feel to be Shrikant Tiwari again?
I personally love playing this character. Also because it has everything about a human being. All the faults, all the advantages and disadvantages of every human being. I think और इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं कि ये श्रीकांत तिवारी हर किसी के पिता के जैसा भी लगता है, हर किसी के पति के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी के दोस्त के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी का कंपेनियन, हर किसी का कुलीग भी लगता है. So I think Shrikant Tiwari is also any guy who is traveling in the metro here, or any guy who is going in the car, in the traffic. I think that's the biggest strength of the character.
I completely agree with you. I'm very curious कि season 1, you know, आप मूसा को ट्रैक कर रहे थे, season 2 में आप राजी को ट्रैक कर रहे थे, लेकिन इस बार आप दौड़ रहे हैं और रुकमा जो है वो आपके पीछे है. So how does it feel to have those roles reversed?
So that, I mean, as an actor, I would say that this time all those advantages that one had, you know, as an actor, when I was playing Shrikant Tiwari, who was always on top of things, here, you know, keeping the Shrikant Tiwari alive in me, but at the same time, who is somebody who is really not on top of the game.
Oh my God, yes.
He's losing all the time. And the opponent are far many and far more stronger this time.
I know, एक श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे बहुत सारे लोग पड़े हैं इस बार, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से श्रीकांत हमेशा से श्रीकांत थे, हैं और रहेंगे.
But humor नहीं आता है, क्योंकि श्रीकांत तिवारी बनारस का आदमी है.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल. No, seriously, he's the most loved spy, courageously facing dangers and his enemies. लेकिन एक छोटी सी होस्ता कि मैं कर लूँ आज स्टेज पर, मेरे इतने सारे भाई बहन हैं मीडिया के, और उनके सामने आपके जो नेमेसिस हैं, रुकमा को बुला दिया जाए स्टेज पर एक जिसे कहते हैं फेस ऑफ के लिए. Would you guys like to see that? You gotta ask for it. You gotta. I'm not giving it to you. जोर से. All right. आप यही रहिए. And let's get on Rukma for the face off. Wow, man.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत लगा था कि बहुत इंटेंस हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये जो मोहब्बत है आप दूसरों के बीच में, I mean, मैं कौन होती हूँ उसके बीच आने वाली. Thank you so much, guys. Both of you, please stay with us on stage. बाकी का जो है वो आप शो पर देख लीजिएगा. I'd like the two of you to kindly step a little forward for me. Thank you so much. And इनके साथ साथ let's actually call on the entire family of the family man. सबसे पहले of course निखिल, राज, DK, शारिब. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए दोस्तों.
we use brain most of the time, more than the broad.
बिल्कुल. Thank you for that, guys. I don't expect any serious answers, and let's keep it that way, okay? जयदीप साहब, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपके हाथ में माइक है. Everything about Rukma looks menacing. So मुझे आपसे जानना है कि ये जो masterminds हैं, जो operatives हैं, राज और DK, इन्होंने आपके इस रुकमा के लिए कोई नोट्स दिए थे? क्या कहा था आपसे कि ये कैसा आदमी है?
बहुत सारी बातों के साथ एक जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये थी कि रुकमा इज अ डिटैच्ड गाय. ही कैन नॉट, यू नो, इमोशनली अटैच नहीं हो सकता किसी भी चीज़ से. और होता ये है कि वो एक्चुअली हो जाता है किसी चीज़ से, अपनी फैमिली से, या जो भी उसकी लाइफ में हो रहा है. एंड समहाउ ही इज अटैच्ड टू श्रीकांत ऑल्सो नाउ. अब उसका कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, बट वो स्टार्ट जो है वो इस तरह का इंसान है who doesn't care for anything.
Wow.
Anything in the world.
You know, those are the most dangerous guys. Ask me. Oh, okay, don't ask me. That's very personal. Let's move ahead. Let's go to Raj. Raj, I hope you have a mic with you. Thank you so much. Despite Rukma being such a towering personality, I see how you guys have given us not one but two antagonists this season. So the question is, why? Why?
Srikanth is getting too tough to handle. So we had Musa in the first, Musa,
Yes.
Sajid. It was all a nexus, and then we had Raji and the whole the group. This time we really had to crack our brains to come up with this antagonist. We didn't realize that we were creating big antagonists each time. I didn't realize we were doing Doom each time.
Sure.
But then we realized that we better have something that's very formidable for Srikanth and the team. And we thought of Beauty and the Brains, or like Beauty and Brawn. Or like Brains and Brawn, sorry, I got it right. Brains and Brawn. So I thought that was a good split between them in terms of how somebody can trap an intelligence unit, an intelligence agent. So yeah, that was the thought behind it.
Absolutely. And when you said brains, of course, that's referring to Nimrat's character. Meera, Nimrat, let me start off by saying, I remember you playing this negative character once in a multiple Emmy award-winning show. So it took me back to that for a second. But I want to ask you how Meera is different from all of those amazing characters you've played in the past.
You know, there's nothing more fun than playing evil. And
True.
And you don't get to go to jail for it. That's the best part. You know, you can do what you want, and in their universe, you know, you can really do what you want and get away with murder, plotting, and have a great wardrobe while you do it.
Wow.
And do it in high heels with flamboyance and sex appeal, and Meera is all about that. So I find her to be like, you know, evil, but in couture.
Oh, love it.
It's a girl's dream. It's been a
Absolutely.
dream to work
Evil
this.
in couture. I absolutely love that. DK, I hope you have a mic. Srikanth, of course, has changed a lot since season 1. So my question to you is, how did you evolve his world and character in this season? Because you still got to keep it fresh and you still got to keep it relatable.
I mean, as you can see, everybody gets older,
Yes.
right? I mean,
Yes.
somehow Manoj manages to stay the same age
Yes.
from season 1, but everybody else gets older. The kids are getting older, everybody's getting older. So we had to adapt to that as well. And see, from a story perspective, we already knew we had an entire, we had, at least we were relying on Manoj to have a completely different way of playing it by making him the target instead of the one that is going after somebody.
Sure.
So that automatically, you know, changed a lot for him. Having said that, the kids have grown up. So we thought it is time for Atharv now to know the secret.
Whoa.
That's what the trailer starts with.
True.
And so, yeah, I mean, we in reality, we had to adapt with, you know, that we are in a season 3. We need to bring new, more mature angles to the same characters, but at the core of it, they're still the same characters, but we still need to explore a new dimension. And to do that, you put them in a new situation that they've never been in. Be it the family also. We put them literally in danger in the season. So, and without anybody else to protect them. So they have to explore new parts of their personality that they never knew existed.
So true.
So I guess that's one way of kind of taking the character forward.
Yeah, the family and the family man's really cracking this season, man, and I'm absolutely loving that. So, thank you so much. A round of applause for that answer. I think it's not easy to do that, really. Nikhil, okay, now I want my audience to, you know, just give me a little love when I take the name of a show that we all love, okay? The Family Man, okay? Thank you. Mirzapur, Patalok, Made in Heaven, Sudal the Vortex, woo! Panchayat. Okay, सारे आप ही के बच्चे हैं sir. And they've returned for multiple seasons. You've also announced new seasons for Call Me Bay, Dupahiya, Call Me Bay, yeah, okay. And my personal favorite, and this is a revelation, The Traitors. मैं हूँ सबसे बड़ी fan. मुझे होना चाहिए वो शो पर लेकिन अगली बार. But what's the secret between Prime Video's consistent success in achieving what many other platforms can only dream of, darling?
I think one person who's responsible for that is Sahira, who's sitting here.
Hey! Hi.
I think when a show is made and we are thinking about taking a new season, we ask ourselves two questions: whether the first show was universally loved, did it become someone's favorite story, and second, does the new season genuinely have a story to tell, a character arc? And unless both those things are met, we don't sort of go ahead and just to milk the IP, launch a new season. इतने सारे shows बन रहे हैं, इतना सारा content है, उसमें to deliver success becomes harder and harder. So these two things are very important. It also means that between two seasons, it takes us time to get the writing extremely perfect, and a lot of times our viewers are complaining that there's too much gap between seasons, but that's what it takes. And I think there's also a softer aspect that people don't, talk about, which is the creative culture of an organization and the spirit of collaboration with which we work with our partners. That's one huge reason why some of the country's best creators, including Raj and DK, keep coming back to us with their best stories season after season and with new seasons. It's a soft thing, but I can tell you it makes a huge difference to the quality of stories that come out.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. And I'm going to actually add on to that question, taking it to Raj and DK, both of you. He just talked about, chemistry, between a platform and the creators. What do you think that chemistry is that you share with Prime Video?
Prime's like family. That's where we started. And the members keep rotating,
Yeah.
but the family is the same.
Wow.
And Nikhil and Saira have been like rock strong behind us, letting us do what we want, and we get a lot of independence playground to play with. It's been a great journey. I mean, we've had like 3-4 shows, and we've got another one coming up, and it's been an unbelievable journey, right? Saira, you like what I said? No? So yeah, more than that, I just want to take a second to talk about the bigger family, the core family. Suman's been there from the beginning
Yes.
as we created.
Woo!
So there's a lot of chemistry between us, and Sumit has been there since the beginning, since 3 to Family Man. So we've come a very long way, and we started adding our debut director Tushar.
Woo! Woo!
And our very important member, Cheshta, our associate director. So these are extremely strong pillars. Am I missing anyone? And of course, a brilliant, brilliant cast. Darshan, my favorite, has been there forever.
Yes.
And Vipin, of course, looking very dashing today.
Woo!
Seema ji we were just very honored that she was
Yeah,
part of this.
Of
And
course.
haven't been a more graceful, a leader in a show. So, and Dalip ji as colorful and cool as ever. And so glad to have them.
Bilkul.
And we have, who else is I can see. And of course, we discovered Harman at our
Harman.
friend's
We
screening.
have new writers on our writing room. Sudesh, Nikhil Gonzalez.
It took 6 of us to write this show. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4 directors to make it. So yeah, I just want to thank the cast, an incredible cast and crew that's been in this
And
very
we
long
have the
journey.
crew member sitting there, Jay Charola, the DOP, Parishit, production designer, Neha, costume designer, Sumit, editor. Sumit has been editing from his childhood
How may.
with us only. Like, Sumit.
Yeah, Sumit was born in D2R, and we have Neha sitting there, who's been with us for a long time now. Palins, our new cast member, that's joined brilliant job in the show. Yeah, and we're missing. Sorry, who? Parichet. DK was in love with Parichet.
Parichet.
Parichet's
He's done two of our bigger shows with Amazon as well,
Yeah,
Fuzzy
yeah.
and Family Man. So I mean,
Yeah.
what more can we say?
And we're missing.
And other shows that offer a platform whose name shall not be spoken here.
Thank you. I think it's lovely. I think I get the essence of it. It is truly a family on and off screen. Priyamani, I want to take this to you, and I'm so excited that you get to do so much this time, right? Because, of course, you're on the run, But
Yeah.
सवाल तो यही है कि do you actually get a piece of that slick action for yourselves to do, man?
I think they're the best ones to answer,
Answer that.
I've been telling them right from the start कि मुझे भी action दो, because
ना?
I have dabbled in a bit of action before. I have been telling them, please give me some action. But yeah, you can see very little
Okay.
of it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I won't reveal more.
She's
than-
not going to give it. This is Priyamani and me today on stage. I ask question, Priyamani deflects. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Suman, I'm going to come to you at this point. I do want to ask you that there was so much love, right, that was given by Raj and DK. And I know that there are some things in season 1 and 2, because you've been part of this journey, that fans may not have decoded even today. So is there something that you want to drop today at this trailer launch from seasons 1 and 2 that you think they didn't decode?
I can't hear you. I didn't get the question. It's a
Is
long
there,
question.
is there an Easter egg from the previous seasons that they might not have decoded that you want to reveal today?
Yeah, I don't think the fans have decoded what happened in Lonavala.
Yeah, no? Yeah, exactly. Are you going to? He's not. He's
Yeah,
not
that's
here
it.
with us.
I think fans are smart enough to see through. Am I supposed to say something? You should have briefed me. I don't know.
You're supposed to
Well,
say what
we're
happened in
having a lot of
Lonavala.
fun. No.
You're briefed to say exactly what happened in Lonavala. Spill
What
the
happened?
beans.
What happened in Lonavala? I would love to share with you guys, but unfortunately, that story will have to wait. Maybe if there is a subsequent season, Sahira, you have to
Or
tell
if there is, will there be a spin-off, Suman?
If there is a subsequent season, we choose to reveal what happened in Lonavala in graphic detail.
I would love that.
That's a good
Chikki khaya tha udhar,
that's a good
chikki.
teaser for that season.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Yeah, just call it Family Man Lonavala Edition, and then that's like a slice. But thank you, Suman. I
Thank you.
expected just that. That was the brief. Thank you so much. Suman and Tushar, okay, I'm going to go to you. Coming on board as directors for this season, first of all, no pressure. Okay, so I want to ask both of you, how difficult was it for you all to actually step into directing this season?
Well, it wasn't as difficult because I've been with them. I worked on season 2 as well. So it was, we know the world, we know the universe, there's a certain style to it. So yeah, wasn't as difficult to step into this team and into this family.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So you're saying it's not difficult, so it was very easy for you. Please give me a different answer. No, you did okay. You have to give me a different answer.
See, I think the pressure is more as a writer. You conveniently did not talk about writing at all. That's okay. But the pressure is more because I'm already losing my mind over how we're going to skin season 4. But the point is, the pressure as a writer was immense. And because I've been in the best film school from season 1 to Farzi, I have learned a lot from them. I've seen them from the best seat in the room to know how they take shots, how they don't compromise, how they don't settle for the average. They're always looking to punch way up. And also, by the time I came around for season 3, I had already directed a film in Tamil. So, and yeah, but it is difficult. Direction is not easy. Tushar has been, in the direction department for ages. So for him, it is a natural progression. But for someone like me who's just done one film, there was a lot of pressure, especially when you have you said Raj and DK love me. You have to see me and DK. I'm just saying, okay, because it's uncompromising. The schedules are tight. You know the deal. So the pressure to make sure that we are at least 90% there.
There, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Thank you so
But
much.
I would like
yeah.
to say that writing is still the biggest pleasure. And you will have to agree, Raj and DK. Yeah.
Well, a man says that writing is the biggest pleasure, and I must say that I was saving the writing question for Sumit. Sumit, I hope you have a mic. So, too many lines here. Don't be a minimum guy. I mean, बहुत सारे lines हैं. My question is, what does it take to come up with a line that's going to stay with the audience and, you know, be used in daily life? Like, is there a secret to that?
There's no secret to that. I think it all started with, I remember in a cafe, me and Raj and DK met. I think it was 2017 or 18 when the show was being developed. And I think they told me this log line, or not even a log line, this line that I think if I'm not wrong, it was, he's a world-class spy and a middle-class guy. And that identification with the character, I think is supreme for a writer. Like, how do you identify within yourself who's the protagonist? And that middle-class guy who happens to be, or who's now doing, is a world-class spy, that really nailed it for me. And I think the first sequence that we did, you know, where he's going through this first day of his life, and he talks to his kids, and he's dropping them to the school, and they are like, कि तुम बड़े एहसान फरामोश हो कि तुम मेरे को बोल रहे हो कि गाड़ी कैसी है, एंड दैट लाइन आई थिंक वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऐसा हुआ था कि वो जो एक लाइन बोलता है वो आई थिंक हर किसी ने सुनी होगी वो लाइन, कि जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि ही सेज कि तुमको कदर नहीं है, कि जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं साइकिल पे जाता था और मेरे दादाजी नदी, एंड दे कंप्लीट द लाइन, और दादाजी नदी पार करके. So I think that line has been told to every kid in this country. So that identification helped me. And then when he finally gets done with the whole dropping, he's so tired that he just utters those lines which has become iconic now, कि आ रहा हूँ dash dash dash. So because it's the common man's frustration, and once you identify with that, everything becomes it just naturally flows because you are now feeling the character. And the second thing, which, you know, people say that gali, you know, like for me, it is not that. It is, I think, gali एक अलंकार है भाषा का. तो और जब तक उसको आप अलंकार की तरह देखते हो, तब तक वो साउंड नहीं करता है बिल्कुल ऑफ. जैसे ही आप उसको देखते हो कि ये है, तो फिर वो आपकी राइटिंग में भी झलकेगा कि यार ये अखर रहा है कानों को, लेकिन कभी वो अखरता नहीं है क्योंकि वो अलंकार की तरह इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है. तो आई थिंक दीज आर द फंडामेंटल्स दैट आई हैव kept in mind while writing it, and rest is, you know, it's a great teamwork, and to have actors and have creators, you know, who have created this character, it's been a great journey.
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing those insights. A round of applause for our writers again. Thank you. We're going to take this, of course, to Sharib. Sharib, hi.
Hello.
कोई मतलब कुछ नहीं पूछ सकती तुमसे कभी भी श्रीकांत तिवारी के बारे में. ऐसा दोस्त हो तो माशाल्लाह you will always be, of course, in good hands. So सबसे पहले तो कहूँगी that ये दोस्ती, you know, seriously, I mean, नजर ना लगे. All right. मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है जेके का, वो इतना रिलेटेबल है क्योंकि ऐसा दोस्त हम सबको चाहिए. तो मुझे बताइए, जब आप इस जेके के किरदार में आते हो, आप क्या करते हो टू मेक श्योर कि भाई बिलीवेबल भी होना है और अपने दोस्त को हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट करना है?
दो चीज़ें हैं.
हाँ जी.
सबसे पहले तो मैं एक डायलॉग याद रखता हूँ तो मैं उस कैरेक्टर में आ जाता हूँ.
क्या बात है?
कि भाई हम लोग गरीब आदमी हैं, तुम्हारे ब्रंच में हमारे महीने भर का लंच आ जाएगा.
क्या बात है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी चीज़, सुमन, सुमित, इन लोगों ने मिलके इतना बढ़िया किरदार लिखा है, राज एंड डीके. और मतलब आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड दिस, बट आई कांट रियली थैंक देम इनफ फॉर गिविंग मी जेके, बिकॉज जेके चेंज्ड माई लाइफ. एंड जो किरदार आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल सकता है, बदल देता है, उसको आप भूल नहीं सकते, फिर वो आपके अंदर रच बस जाता है. तो मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होता है जेके के किरदार में आना, और इट इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू द क्रिएटर्स एंड मनोज सर, प्रिया. मतलब हम सब ने मिलके, अगर मनोज सर मुझे वो स्पेस नहीं देते तो मैं जेके कभी जेके नहीं बन पाता. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
बस आपके स्वयंवर का इंतजार रहेगा इस सीजन.
हाँ यार, प्लीज प्रॉमिस.
वो आपको तो पता है श्रीकांत तिवारी के प्रॉमिसेस कितने सच निकलते हैं.
उसी का डर है मुझे.
Well, thank you so much each of you for taking and answering my questions. लेकिन अब मेरी दरख्वास्त है, जितने भी दोस्त हैं हमारे जो बैठे हैं, we're gonna come to you guys for your questions. You know the drill. A mic will come to you if you raise your hand. Please make sure you're directing your question to who you want to ask it